Okay, so this clump of weeds and a tree that just chose to grow there, that's all being cleared out. All this low shrubs along the pool on this side, on there, along there, to the left of these palm trees, that runs along the side of the pool. We're just going to hand remove all that, and I don't know what we might plant something else there, or actually we probably won't. We'll just have grass right up to the pool, so you can walk from the pool side right to these palm trees. So that'll be just clearing and grass. And then the palm trees are going to have a hammock strung between one of them, so you can lay in the hammock there. And now as we go down, you'll see here is the big hedgerow of hibiscus, and it's really tall. It's got to be 7 or 8 feet tall. Okay, and then that is Napaca in there. That's all going to be cleared. We're also going to have these hibiscus, this whole hedge row, cleared out. And just, I don't know what we're going to do. If we're going to just plant grass, but it actually gets so tall and it blocks our view from the pool area. So they don't need to be there. And then here's the lay of the land. This is the Napaca plus the guinea grass, and then down and out that to the access trail. Here's a pathway between the hibiscus bushes and this Napaca hedge, and it's like a jungle trail. It's pretty cool, but it's all going to be wide open. This all is going to be gone, just grass through here. So I'm going to video how it looked before. This is how it was. Now, as you can see, I'm approaching this palm tree. That's quite an unusual one. And it's just trying to grow in the middle of the Napaca because it's just overgrown. So that tree will be there, left behind, along with a number of other palm trees that you can see back here. They have a bunch of palm trees planted, all in a big cluster, and we're not sure. We're going to see how they all look when everything's cleared, but we may be removing some of those. These people tended, when they planted a palm tree, they would plant a cluster. So then when they get big, the palm trees, it's like they don't, they're not healthy because there's just too many of them. So we're trying to just take back the land from all of this overgrowth and make it a little more attractive and easy maintenance, so we don't have to trim hedges all the time. And obviously the guy before us got tired of trimming the Napaca and the hibiscus and also the heliconia, this one here. He just said, I'm not going to trim those anymore, and they became wild. So this is the heliconia that's next to the pool. The pool's back there where those 4 palm trees are, and or 5. So this is how deep the heliconia is. It's like, it's more than 8 feet deep. It's like 12, 15, 20 feet deep. See how wide it is? All in there. That's how wide it is. And then you come up this hill. They're going to clear out over here too. There's this vegetable garden they had growing. There's actually a fence under that vine right near to closest to me. There's a vine with little flowers on it. It's a weed, and they're going to clear that out because there's like a little garden, and then so it'll just be more a wider area of grass right through here. So there are the palm trees that are buried in the heliconia. So we're going to reveal them, and they actually look like some pretty interesting species of pine. That one on the right seems like the corkscrew type, I think. Looks twirly. Okay, I climbed up that little hill, and now I am standing with my back to the mango tree. Here's another view of the heliconia out of control. And here's another view of the napaca. And those heliconia down there are going to be wiped out because they are inside of our fence line. So we're just going to wipe this all out and have grass a little bit wider off to the left. And then you can see out there how thick and tall all that grass is. It's guinea grass, that's what it's called. So that's what's going to be gone, all of that. It is a lot of vegetation. And then here's Sunny Boy. He's under my hat. Say hello. He learned how to say aloha now. Aloha.